YouTube, so it's been a while since my last upload, but I plan to fix that consistency now, since it's summer break and school's over for me. Anyways, this video will serve as a review of the EV I made last school year for Science Olympiad, and it will help me see how I can improve my skills for the future. So first, let me talk to you about the actual goal of this project, so that we're on the same page. EV is an event from Science Olympiad where students can make an autonomous car that can drive straight for a given distance, or it can drive a unique path between two cans to the endpoint for bonus points. For me, I chose a path where the car would make a series of 90-degree turns to reach the end. Here's a short clip. Okay, so now let's talk about the actual structure of the car. One of the most important sensors is the gyroscope, or more specifically, the MPU 6050. This device allows us to calculate angular motion, and when using this sensor with the proper PID algorithm in the code, it allows us to make smooth and accurate turns, which is definitely essential for this event. Okay, so now let's talk about how the car actually moves. The learning kit that this EV came from originally had 4 6-volt TT DC motors. However, I also bought 4 other DC motors that came with encoders. These basically allow me to count the number of rotations for each motor, which is really helpful for distance precision. By swapping the gearboxes, I was able to get the best of both motors, giving this car a performance boost. Okay, so now let's move on to the final critical detail of this project, the custom parts. You probably noticed these 2 purple plates that are attached to the chassis of the car. This is an aiming device that basically acts as a scope so that my runs are consistent each time. In order to first design these parts, I used Autodesk Inventor, a professional modeling software. I then got these designs 3D printed so that I can use them on my project. In retrospect, I honestly believe that the ability to CAD and create parts is such a huge advantage, because you can design the components you need for your own unique builds and bring them to reality, which is extremely helpful.